keep your hand in one spot for a long time, you'll feel it getting warm, getting ready to blow off the glass. I mean, it won't blow up right away. You have to actually stand it for like a minute probably. But eventually it will crack and you will get it. Pretty neat. The way electric goes is so crazy. It don't know what to do with itself. Cracked by glass. Kind of a dangerous thing if you think about it. Like, what would happen if the glass broke while you were like? What if you had a ring on it had?
What if Adam goes in there?
Touching it and your ring busted the glass?
Adam's
I
gonna
mean, you're
pull
stuck
out.
there too. Your hand, you know, when you get electrocuted, you're stuck. You'd like be like pulling your arm off to get it out of there. They used to make them bigger than that, and they stopped. Now they make small ones because the older ones was bigger. I mean, it had a huge ball. I mean, the ball was like at least probably double the size of that. Somebody probably got killed. I don't know. Pretty neat though.
Jefferson?
No, I'll leave him alone. He's not bothering anybody.
I'm not getting a ice cream cake. I don't like those.
So you want to spend the night over there?
Yeah.
Does her grandma know you?
Yeah.
Was I there before you said?
Yeah.
I'm surprised your grandma wasn't going crazy.
Oh, she told me about that. So Mara let her go. When she dropped you yesterday. She's like telling me not to let you go. Because Mara used to let you go and Mara don't know those people. So I don't know how last story.
Well, I mean,
So
there's
what? Yeah.
only so much you can do. What she want to do? Give the lady back nails and fingerprints and